Most players think lead fills are a left-hand problem. They're not. This is what it sounds like when rhythm and lead aren't fighting each other. For me, the groove always collapsed the second I started adding lead fills. It wasn't my lack of talent, it's because my right hand wasn't disciplined. Yet. The intermediate plateau is not a theory problem. It's a timing problem. And the good news is that's something you can fix today. Locking into the groove is so important. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You need to always know where the first beat of a measure is, and this also helps you keep track of the chord changes as you're playing lead guitar. And before you start adding lead guitar fills, this has to be solid. Now that foundation for me, I really think like a drummer, like the bass drum and snare. Boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch. With that basic pulse, you can create a groove, something to lock into. We can do this with full bar chords for this lesson. C sharp minor, B major, A major. But I really want to hone in on the triad shape that's in the center of each chord. Check this out. C sharp minor, B, A. And the C sharp minor pentatonic works perfectly over this. And as I say in a lot of videos, I always highlight the root, the home bass note in red. That's what your home bass note is, and that's what I'm going to work these lead fills around that note. And I'm hitting the low note and then playing the chord, basically. The low note once, twice now. Once, twice. But if you do that with I'm using mostly downstrokes as I start this. And then we'll work into the up and down movement as we get through the video here. So this is the foundation. We have the foundation, we have that pulse, we have a nice little groove going on here. We can think of this as the right hand being the drummer. I hit the low notes for that bass drum sound, and then the high notes I'm targeting for the snare sound. And then the left hand is just for decoration as you play these chords. So I'm hitting the low note and then really raking the higher strings and getting that kind of, it adds a whole different vibe than just playing. But you're adding music or making music with these notes. And there needs to be a sense of muting here. And it's really easy to do because my fingers are all laying flat here. My first finger is the pivot point here. I leave that put, and then I add these little fills. But I'm still in place for that chord. and my second finger's lightly touching the E string, which deadens it, and then my third finger's lightly touching the A string. But as I'm pushing down, the tips of your fingers are really useful that way. And it's something that just will come natural if you just start doing it. Now with some simple slides, hammer-ons, and pull-offs, we can create some music here. So as you're playing this C sharp minor triad, that note is your friend here in the D string, 11th fret. Hammering onto it from 9 to 10, or 9 to 11. Always within that C sharp minor pentatonic, it sounds great. It sounds like you're connected to some with that blues rock vibe. Then you can walk down the scale. 11-9 on the D, 11-9 on the A string, and then hammer on and pull off 9 to 10, 12-9. But when you do it with a little aggression, B chord, you can add your little pinky in there. You play the triad and hammer on and pull off with your pinky from 8 to 9 on the G string. You can pick it, but again, you're doing this up and down motion in time, whether you're picking or strumming. Doing a double stop there, leading back to the B instead of just coming up to it. We're going A, double stop, back to B because you've got the first two notes of the B there. But you're adding a little double stop, which is basically a part of an A chord, 11 on the D, 9 on the G string, and then the top two notes of that triad. So this style allows you just to grab your guitar and play. It's inspiring and fun. Let me know if this lesson's helpful. I'd love to hear from you, and thanks so much for hanging out with me today.